Okay, this is a quickie tutorial on blending. As you can see over here, I have 4 different images. I am going to make these first 2 invisible. And again, I'm just going to work with the fill levels and opacity to see what I like. And this is just trial and error. With this one in particular, I want to see if I want to move that at all. I think I really like having the water there over it. And of course you have the option to bring in more than just your 2 layers. Again, I have no idea if I'll keep this or not. It kind of overpowers a little bit. I really don't like the bridge part in there. We might keep this, we might not. Then this portion, again, same thing. And now because of this hard edge here, I'm going to come down here and create a mask. Grab a paintbrush, black to conceal, nice big soft round brush. So I'm going to change this from 12 to around 114. Opacity, I'm going to change from 100% to 62 apparently. I was just going for something lower. Again, I just want to soften that out a little bit so it's not as abrupt. And it's whatever you feel like. I can't say I'm doing this right or wrong. I'm just doing it. And again, you like it, you don't like it. I have the color here. I'm going to change with my blend modes. See if there's anything here that strikes my fancy. I'm going to try linear burn, but I'm going to try to take out the clouds. Not so much. So let's come back up, lighten, screen. And these two, lighten obviously brightens it a little bit. Screen just lets through the lighter portions of it. I just learned that. Very proud of that, in fact. And come down, linear dodge. You get a little bit more of the contrast here from light to dark, but it doesn't necessarily do much for the image. And overlay, hard light, soft light. Again, this is just all preference when you look at it and go, yeah, as opposed to looking at it and going, oh crap. Kind of like that, but again, I want to take the clouds out, see if I like that a little bit better. I don't know that I want to keep the pink. Cancel that. I'm going to come up to image, adjustments. I'm going to try color balance first. Just want to see if I can make that a little bit more orangey. Okay, got that there. I'm going to play with the opacity just to bring it down. See, the flower's still there. It doesn't quite go with the golds, but it gives a nice contrast. I can't say that I would keep this or not keep this, but the whole point of it is to play with things. See what you like, see what you hate. I did create for this one a first layer with a solid white, meaning that you can come down to your first image, lower the opacity on it, and it again changes the whole effect. If I did this with black instead, again, just select layer, edit, fill, which is Shift F5. Click OK. You can see the difference that makes, and again, just completely preference. Okay, that was me winging it for one round of this. Let me know if you have any questions.